What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. I'm sitting in a not so fancy hotel room in Las Vegas for NAB 2019, and in this video I want to share a couple things with you. One, I had a fantastic interaction with Ben from Deity Microphones at the show floor, and they were showcasing their D3 Pro microphone that is virtually compatible with everything, including smartphones. So that's pretty much why I'm including it in the coverage here. On top of that, I also wanted to share that they gave me a V.Lav microphone, which is actually what you're listening to right now. So even if I go a little bit further back, you can probably hear a little bit better audio quality. I don't have to yell, I don't have to project too crazy. Plus, I'm in a hotel room, I can actually hear the neighbors. I don't want to be all loud and, you know, have them bang on the walls for me. But before I go over to that awesome interaction that Ben and I had regarding the microphones that you can implement in your mobile filmmaking, I wanted to do a little comparison. So this is the audio with the Deity V-Lav microphone, just simply plugged in into the 3.5mm headphone jack on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And this is the audio of the native microphones on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Notice the big difference. I'm keeping a low profile, so to speak, but even if I kind of like try to go a little bit further back, you might notice. So now we're gonna switch back to the V-Lav. And I'm pretty sure we can both agree that the V-Lav microphone audio is definitely the clear winner. Even though I'm in a controlled room environment, I feel this is definitely going to be a little bit easier for a lot of you to create your own videos, whether you're sitting at home or a Vegas hotel room like I am, or if you're walking around interviewing people. I'm 100% sure that this is going to make a big difference for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Shout out again to Ben from Deity Mics for sharing a lot of information about the microphones. Hope you enjoy. So yeah, tell me about, we got a low mic here, shotgun's definitely a little bit larger than usual.
Absolutely. So this is the D3 Pro. We made this to compete with the Rode typical mic that you'll see with your cell phones and such. We made this so it's compatible with anything, cell phones, DSLR cameras, anything. The way that it does it is that the D3 Pro has an onboard chipset inside. We call it a smart mic. So what it does is you have this TRRS connector on here, and it listens for 3 volts going down any of these pins to figure out which one to send signal down, which means that I can unplug this from my transmitter here. I can plug it right into an iPhone. It'll know it's in the iPhone.
Okay.
I can unplug it from that, plug it right into like a Canon camera. It'll know it's going right into that, and it'll send you signal immediately. As well with the D3 Pro, what I really like is that it has an onboard rechargeable battery charged through USB-C.
Yeah, I see that. That's awesome.
As well, it has with the onboard battery, it has an automatic standby that detects that if it's not in record, it will go ahead and stand by to save your battery. But the way that we built the mic is so the battery lasts so long that you just have to turn it on when you start your day, and then turn it off at the end of the day, and that's it. Leave it alone otherwise.
So it kind of has like its own, you know, power management. It knows all that stuff.
Yeah.
That's awesome, because usually that's what runs out pretty fast nowadays.
Yeah, absolutely. And then the best feature, in my opinion, we have an attenuator here that is stepless. So if you need to adjust your gain or trim, you can rotate that while filming, and it won't click in your mic. You won't hear that at all.
Nice.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah. How much would something like this run?
This one I believe is going around 200.
Okay.
I believe they're available now. You can purchase us through here. You can purchase through B&H. In Los Angeles, we have Location Sound. We're available pretty much anywhere.
Awesome, man. And then this is you know.
Yeah, this is our
pack.
Yeah, these are brand new. These are actually going to be available next week. It's our wireless kit. You can see the whole kit here. So it comes with 2 transmitters and a dual receiver. Okay. And what's really cool about this guy, we made this for keeping the location sound engineer in mind. So it works on the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, so that you don't need to worry about tuning your frequencies. And the receiver will communicate with your transmitters all the time.
Okay.
So if you need to make an adjustment, instead of needing to go over to your talent and having to go up into their clothing to make the adjustments, you can make your adjustments from your receivers where you're sitting down. It'll automatically send it over to your transmitter, adjust gain, whatever you need.
So, I mean, pretty much if I'm doing like interviews or a podcast or something like that, I could potentially have one on myself, one on the other person, and somebody can make the adjustments
all over
on the fly. That's amazing, man.
As well, it listens for how your spectrum's working, and if it sees some interference happening, it'll automatically tell your transmitter, hey, go over here to this channel instead, and automatically switches over.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then you said this is going to be available next week?
Next week. This is going for $669.
$669.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much for sharing information about the mics. This looks really amazing.
Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. It's been a while, man.